Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete second Instagram account. We start by opening Instagram, then click on the Settings and Activity drop-down menu. After that, click on Account Center. Then we will click on the Accounts option. Here we will be able to see our added accounts, and we can remove the one we want so that it does not appear. If what we want is to completely delete the account, we will do the following. We go back to Account Center and then click on Personal Details. After this, click on Account Ownership and Control. Next, click on Deactivation or Deletion and choose the account to delete. Now we select the option to delete account and continue with Continue. Next, we choose a reason for the deletion and click on Continue. You may be asked for your password for security. We continue the process and finally we will see a notice that tells you when your account will be permanently deleted. You can cancel this deletion by logging in before the indicated date. Finish the process by clicking on Delete Account. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.